Formerly, that was last month, this was what Divine Hectares extension looks like, but today they have started working on the road and demarcations. Like, it's amazing what you can do with just 1 month. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end to see why you must not procrastinate on this property. Okay, a plot of land in this estate, that is in the main estate, is selling for 35 million naira today, now, while the extension is still selling for 25 million naira. So when the construction of the road and demarcation is done, and when the estate is completely sold out, it is estimated that from the 20th of December, this plot of land, this extension, will start selling from 30 to 35 million naira. The ROI of this property is very high. From the next 3 years, you should be selling this land for at least 45 to 50 million naira. Okay, so now is the best time for you to buy into this property, and there are only 4 plots of land left in this estate, and I was opportune and fortunate enough to be able to market 2 of these plots and to sell 2 of these plots to my clients. So I can help you secure your own plot if you call me today. Okay, so if you're interested in buying this plot, if you're interested in owning a piece of property either for investment or for buy and build, now is the best time to call me to secure this plot. Okay, so call me on the number that is displayed on the screen so that you can be able to secure this amazing property.